This rainbow knife looks really cool with the rainbow effect, but it clearly states that it's like a cleaver and a chef knife. So it's basically saying it would take the place of both of these knives. I would say the knife is pretty small to do that. If it were bigger like this one, maybe. These grooves are designed to get air between the knife and the food. They really don't, but they do look nice. I really like the titanium finish, like on my pocket knife. So I've watched a lot of other reviews, and I think everybody agrees it's too small. It's a nice knife, but it just doesn't do what it claims. And how do you claim that a knife stays sharp forever? I'll just pretend I didn't even hear that claim. I really like the way the knife looks, and that might be enough to buy it. But I don't see it replacing the chef knife and the cleaver. Well, I appreciate your time watching, and if you have any comments, please leave them down in the comments. Thanks for watching.